Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Another useful and informative video which is about how to fix whether app or widgets not working on iPhone. So first of all, I will request to my all friends, please subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest videos. So do not waste any time. First of all, fix this issue. Then we have seen step by step. Do not miss any step on your iPhone. So then you have first solution, you have restart your device. So then restarting stops all the device functions and starts a fresh session. So if any minor software issues are preventing the weather from working as expected, restarting your device might just help fix them. Here's how to do it. Then second solution, you have close and restart the weather app. Then you have using the weather app. So then you have close from here. Then you have click on home button, double click. Then you have remove and then restart the any glitches that might have occurred when starting the weather app might be caching is not to work properly on your iPhone. This can also be one of the reasons why the iOS weather widgets is not showing data or stopped updating suddenly. To resolve this, you can close the app completely and restart it again. This will clear issues as all app functions load again. Then third solution, you have turn on background app refresh. So you have open the setting and then you have click on general, click on background app refresh. Then you have turn off. I have already turned off on my iPhone. As the name suggested, background app refresh allow app on your iPhone to sign information and update in the background. So if background app refresh is turned off, it might cause issues like whether app stopped working. To ensure this does not happen, turn on background app refresh on your iPhone. Then fourth solution, you have reset location and privacy setting. While resetting your device is always an option, it will also delete all your data on your device. However, if you are experiencing any issues with any particular setting or functions, like the location service not working properly, you can also reset only that specific setting while retaining your other data. This can also fix any location error and get the weather app running again. So then you have open the setting, then you have click on general again, then you have click on transfer or reset, then you have click on reset location and privacy, then given a password, then you have enter a password, then last solution, you have reinstall the weather app. So then you have press the long press. So then you have remove from your iPhone, then reinstall from app store. Then your problem will be fixed and 100% working. So hopefully guys, after watching this video, you will all know if you have any problem. So please let me know in the comments box. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Do not forget subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Allah Hafiz.